interpret your answers. The interpreter will interpret only what is said and will not add, omit, or summarize anything. The interpreter will interpret into English everything you say in your language, so do not say anything you do not want everyone else to hear. Do not ask the interpreter for advice. And finally, wait until the entire question has been interpreted before you answer. Do you have any questions at this point? So as far as this complaint, I'm going to go ahead and read it. It indicates Jennifer Ramsey, being duly cautioned and sworn, deposes and alleges that she has knowledge, information, and belief that the above named child, Liang Zhao, date of birth 10/8/10, of Mingming Chen mother, residing at 7300 Sunset Strip Avenue Northwest, apartment 11. Yes, I'm sorry.
Would you like to repeat the date of birth again?
Sure. It's October 8th, 2010. You're welcome. North Canton, Ohio, 44720, in Stark County, State of Ohio. And Liang Zhao, father, residing at 7300 Sunset Strip Avenue, Northwest, apartment 11, North Canton, Ohio, 44720, in Stark County, State of Ohio, appears dependent as defined in section 215104B, and that the child lacks adequate parental care by reason of the mental or physical condition of the child's parents, guardian, or custodian. Dependent as defined in section 215104C, and that the child whose condition or environment is such as to warrant the state, in the interest of the child, in assuming the child's guardianship. The particular facts upon which these allegations are based are: this case involves one child, Liang Zhao, age 6. The mother of this child is Mingming Chen. The father of the child is Liang Zhao. On January 10, 2017, Liang was placed into the emergency temporary custody of Stark County Department of Job and Family Services by law enforcement pursuant to Juvenile Rule 6. Mother was charged with murder and felonious assault related to the death of Liang's younger sister, Ashley Zhao. Father was also arrested regarding the death of 5-year-old Ashley Zhao. Father has been charged with complicity to commit murder and complicity to commit felonious assault. As such, neither parent is available to provide the care of Liang at the present time. As of the filing of this complaint, no relatives have been identified to provide care for this child. The complainant therefore prays this court to inquire into the alleged dependent status of this child and grant a disposition of temporary custody to Stark County Department of Job and Family Services, and make such other orders as the court deems necessary as provided by law. It is sworn to by Jennifer Ramsey. And then Attorney Thorne and Attorney Will, have you had the opportunity to receive a copy of the complaint and then discuss that complaint with your clients?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
And with regard to Attorney Will, does your client wish to proceed today with the probable cause hearing?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Zhao with respect to the complaint that you have read into the record. He understands the allegations contained therein. For today's purposes, he is going to be stipulating for probable cause only. We would ask for an adjudicatory hearing in the future.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Thorne?
Thank you, Your Honor. I did have a chance to speak with her yesterday and today. I do believe that she understands her rights and is going to be stipulating to probable cause for today's purposes only.
Thank you. And this is for both parents?
Yes, Your Honor.
You both understand that if you wanted to today, you could proceed with a hearing with regard to probable cause. At the hearing, the Department of Job and Family Services, Attorney Compton, would call witnesses up to the witness stand. Your attorneys could ask their witnesses questions. You could take the stand on your own behalf or remain silent. And you could also call witnesses to testify in your case as well. But if you agree to a finding of probable cause for today's purposes only, there won't be any type of hearing. And I'll proceed with temporary orders in this case, and I'll go back to Attorney Compton and ask what she is requesting in this matter. Do you both understand that you do have a right to hearing in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
And today, are you, each of you, giving up your right to hearing and stipulating or agreeing to a finding of probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is anyone making you do this today?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything if you give this agreement today?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I might approach, I actually have their form.
Yes. Thank you. So with your stipulation or agreement to finding of probable cause, I'll make that finding. And Attorney Compton?
Thank you, Your Honor. At this point, we are requesting that Jolynn be maintained in the emergency temporary custody of the agency. We are requesting no contact orders be issued between both parents and Jolynn. We are further requesting that parenting evaluations would be ordered, clearly with the understanding that those, I'm assuming their counsel, will ask that they be held in abeyance pending the resolution of criminal issues, and we would not have any objection to that.
Attorney Will?
Thank you, Your Honor. We're not in objection with any temporary custody arrangements. I would ask that if the court's going to order any parenting evaluation, that it be stayed at this time pending his other matters.
Attorney Thorne?
Thank you, Your Honor. I would also ask for those pre-adjudicatory orders to be held in abeyance. I also want to make the court aware that my office filed a notice to restrict access to my client, that no one is to speak with her without her counsel present.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Sakula has been appointed as guardian ad litem in this case. Is there anything you want to put on the record today?
No, Your Honor.
You believe that the pre-adjudicatory orders as requested are in the best interest of Jolynn?
Yes, I do.
So I'll adopt those orders and indicate that the parenting evaluations are held in abeyance, so they're stayed. The next hearing is set for February 8th at 9 a.m. That's pretrial disposition. I'll type up the entry. That concludes the hearing for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Straight line? Yeah.